Hello my cuties. If you are also in the fitness journey like me, then this video is for you. आज मैं बनाने जा रही हूँ वेरी क्विक एंड डिलीशियस लेमन पेपर चिकन। इसे हमें अच्छे से वॉश करके इसमें कुछ कट लगाने हैं एंड देन हम इसकी मैरिनेशन प्रिपेयर करेंगे। फॉर मैरिनेशन आई एम एडिंग कर्ड इनटू इट। अब इसमें जाएंगे बेसिक मसाले जैसे कि नमक, और अब इसमें जाएगा ब्लैक पेपर और लेमन जूस तो इसका हीरो इंग्रेडिएंट है। तो ब्लैक पेपर को आप अच्छे से डालिएगा, हाउ मच यू कैन टॉलरेट। अब इसमें जाएगा 1 स्क्वीज लेमन जूस। नाउ आई एम एडिंग सम चिकन मसाला, दिस इज़ ऑप्शनल, आई लाइक इट्स फ्लेवर, दैट्स वाई आई यूजुअली ऐड इट। एंड नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू ऐड लेमन जेस्ट। लेमन जेस्ट के लिए you have to keep lemon in the freezer for 15 minutes to become it harder and then you can grate it. So you know that guys, what we have to do now, mix. And now our marination is almost ready and we can't cook it immediately. So what we'll do, we have to keep this marination in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. You can keep it for minimum half an hour also. So I have kept it for 1 hour. Guys, as a teacher of 7 to 4, working teacher and a gym freak, I always try to keep my meals very healthy and protein rich. So now we are going to prepare its gravy. For that we need a lot of garlic and chop it nicely. And then we also need onions. Even you can make this recipe without onions, but I am adding onions into it, so you can just chop it roughly. प्लीज़ कमेंट में बताइए कि आपकी चिकन की कौन सी फेवरेट रेसिपी है। आई विल ट्राई नेक्स्ट टाइम दैट सेम रेसिपी। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट। फर्स्ट आई हैव टेकन सम देसी घी एंड बटर in kadai and I'm adding garlic, and when the garlic turns golden brown I will be adding green chilies and onions. उसको अच्छे तरह से हम सौटे करेंगे और अब हमें इसमें कुछ नहीं डालना और जस्ट डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम द फ्रिज our marination will go into the कढ़ाई or pan. See, it's looking so buttery and creamy, and now we have to cook it and we have to let it wait and let the chicken to leave its water and moisture. And now just have a look, it's looking so delicious. I'm adding some coriander sticks into it, it gives a very nice flavor and aroma. So cover it and for 10 minutes let it cook on low flame. Now I'm adding lemon veggies into it, as it's lemon pepper chicken so it is must. So very nice boil is coming. I have not added even a single drop of water. This water is released by the chicken itself and I will let it absorb and soak it. And now I'm adding coriander leaves into it. Guys, if you wanna have this recipe with rice or roti, you can add some hot water into it and with corn flour slurry, but I just need like this only, so I'm not adding water. So my lemon pepper chicken is ready and it's mouth watering. So guys, if you like my recipe and if you want to join my journey as a teacher and a gym freak, please like my channel, share and subscribe. Okay, bye, see you soon.